Good morning from Jack's Service Center. I've been having a problem putting my hood springs for my 55 Chevrolet on. You just can't pull them because they learn stout, especially when they're brand new. But I've watched other videos how they've installed theirs, and I found one that I'm gonna recreate. Use a floor jack, and you weld two nuts on it. So you weld one down on the axle, and one on top of the plate. And you take a new spring, a brand new one, and see if I can do this here looking through this camera. And it's on there. Okay. Now, you have to put your foot on the edge of the jack. And you jack it up till you get some tension on it. Takes a few jacks. And you get you about 4 washers, about an 1/8 of an inch thick washers. I've already done one. And you drive in there with a hammer in between the springs. And you take your hood hinge, and I've got mine mounted in a vise over here. And you pull it to its shortest extension. Take that spring, hook it on, and it comes over here and almost just falls on. Now you probably put another washer in it, make it just fall right on, but this is close enough. See how easy that is to click that thing on there? You have to excuse the crappy camera work. But I don't know how much easier it can be. I know you could use a coat hanger, and I've seen where you use a V-belt and pull them on. I tried the clothes hanger, and I just couldn't see how I could pull it hard enough in my hands to be able to put it on there. But this idea is simple. Just like I said, put it in that there jack just like I done. And you just jack it up till you can get it where you can drive 4 of them or 1/8 of an inch thick washers. You may not have no 1/8 of an inch washers. You may have to double up on your washers to get them in there. And that's, to me, it's the safest way I've seen to put these things on. This is Jack at Jack's Service Center. Have a good day.